Today, I'm going to introduce a winning swing trading strategy that is to trade IPO stocks. I figured this out by some of the facts of IPO procedure and also by chart observations. You know, a company has to go through very strict evaluation and assessment by investment banks and financial institutions. If the company would not generate return to investors, they will not pass the criteria. The company has very strong cash position, although at the moment it may not be profitable, but it has enough cash to burn for the next several years. While the IPO stocks tend to be less impacted by the broad stock market index, but by trading psychology, that is to chase the rally or to run away to escape from plunging. There's no price history, so the bouncing up and down could be with very larger amplitude than other common stocks. It is very ideal for swing trading. So here are some of the newly listed stocks. This is Robinhood. Okay, initially it went up quite a lot from like 30 something to $90 so then it came down. Now here it is like a round bottom. Yesterday it went up by 10%, so it will enter next rally. So this one, you see the double bottom, then it went up to you can work out the percentage. It went up quite a lot. You have tons of opportunities. So this is typical top. I think if you bought it here somewhere and you can get out at the top, there's no problem. Now it is reaching a turning point. It will go upward again. You apply chart technical analysis indicators. For this one, you see it came down, then it formed a flag. Usually a flag shows a continuation pattern, so it will come down again. So there are two legs. The second leg will have similar points with this first leg. See, also it is an S shape. Okay, they have both the first leg, second leg should have similar length. So now I think it is at a turning point. It is good to buy it today or tomorrow. Look at the opportunities. Let's go. So this one, it is also an S shape. Okay, it is turning. It has already passed turning point. Today it is okay to buy. Here, look. Okay, so the turning point, the bottom is so obvious. So it is, since then it went up. You see, almost 90-80% in I think in 2 weeks. So the opportunities are there. And this one, it is so obvious. So look, it is quite unstable with larger local swing. So this is the bottom. So it will turn upwards powerfully. So how to do this? How to figure out to identify the real bottom? The way is to go to intraday. This is a daily chart. Okay, to go to intraday, let's go to hourly chart. Okay, you see here, hourly chart is like this. You see, you just use the crossover. So the moving average is crossover. Here it is a golden crossover. Then here it is death crossover. you buy it here, you sell it here. I think here it is something, let's go to percentage. From here it is like 10%. Okay, there's no problem to catch maybe 7-8% out of the 10% upswing. So then here there's another crossover, golden crossover. Then there was a shoot up. Okay, so from here to here it is like 30%. Okay, yes, I think at least you could catch 20% out of the 30%. Then it came down. It's so good because the opportunity is coming. This one I bought it here 2 days ago. So it is turning up. Let's go to 50-minute chart. You see, Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band goes through converging to diverging to converging to diverging. After converging, it is diverging because it has come down quite a lot. The diverging will be the direction of the diverging will be upward. So look at the bottom that happened yesterday. So yes, I bought it 2 days earlier. It doesn't matter, it will come up. So let's look at another chart. This curve. Look, even you go by daily chart, it is so obvious. It came down, then forming a very strong base. Then the moving average showed golden crossover. Okay, it went up. Look, so here I think there's a way to set an exit point. So usually it is between the moving average and the Bollinger Band. You set a sell order at in between. I think that is above $31 or $32. So you do it in this way. You see, it is going up so much. Then next day, it came down. Of course, if you go to an intraday chart, you could get out here. But even this, it doesn't matter. It will be bounced back upward. So look. Then today, you see, the rule is to set an exit at in between the Bollinger Band and the moving average, like you set it at $31.50. Look, and what happened? It will go up. Look, there's no problem. Your order will be filled. So if we go to a intraday chart, an hourly chart, look, so it is so obvious. You could buy it in the previous 3 days, today, and yes, yesterday or today, you should buy it. It will turn upward. Here is a summary how to trade IPO stocks. You go to intraday chart. You use Bollinger Band to figure out the bottom or top. Also, you can use trend line and to use support level or measure the move. Any of them, whenever they are applicable, you just follow those indicators. Today, I put down 4 stocks here. They are all ready to go. They are at the turning point. In the next while, 1 week or so, they will move upward. I don't know how high they will go. So for most of the YouTubers, they never recap the stocks they recommend earlier because most of them would not follow through. It wouldn't go up as recommended. So in the week or so, I'll recap these 4 stocks to report their performance. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.